Japan is known for having some of the longest living people in the world. Their longevity secrets are not just genetic but also stem from their lifestyle choices. Here are 3 Japanese secrets that can help you stay slim, fit, and live longer. 1. Haru's Magic, which refers to a balanced diet. Haru means balance in Japanese. Japanese people maintain balance in their diet by consuming small portions of various foods like vegetables, fruits, fish, rice, and soy products. This ensures they get essential nutrients without gaining weight. 2. Avoiding obesity. Japanese people are vigilant about avoiding obesity. They regularly engage in activities like walking, cycling, and yoga to stay active. Regular exercise keeps their bodies healthy, boosts metabolism, and prevents obesity. Ikigai means a sense of purpose in Japanese. People in Japan cultivate a sense of purpose and harmony in their lives by spending time with family and friends, practicing mindfulness, and staying close to nature. This promotes mental peace, reduces stress, and improves overall health. To incorporate these secrets into your life, embrace Haru. Maintain a balanced diet by including a variety of foods in moderate amounts. Prevent obesity exercise for at least 30 minutes daily. Follow Ikigai. Spend quality time with loved ones, practice mindfulness, and connect with nature. By adopting these Japanese secrets, you too can lead a healthy, slim, fit, and long life.